Do it myself. Like they're like, oh yeah, I seen it online. I think I could do it myself.
Yeah. Hey, I'm happy to take a look. If I can't help you or it's a project that you do yourself, I'll be the first one to raise my hand, let you know, and I can even make some suggestions on the product to buy. If it's not and it's something where it looks like the potential of a train wreck, if you do it yourself, I'll be happy to let you know either way. I will tell you this, I'm going to be honest each way. And please be honest. If it is a simple one that they can do themselves, just let them know, hey, you can go down to Lowe's, there's this, you are going to need to get the protection and there's the fumes and everything, and then you sprinkle the stuff, you're good to go. You should be able to do the job for, I would charge you $1,500 on this. You could probably do it yourself for $8. But if you're at all, that leaves you no margin of error, by the way, if you mess up, because you're going to have to do it a second time and then also buy the acid to remove the first one. As long as you're okay with that, I'm okay with that, and I'm happy you doing it yourself. If you want it done right, it's $1,500. If for some reason the pour is messed up, which it won't be because we've helped hundreds of people just like you with garage floors just like this in the last month alone, I pick up that, right? I'm the one that's going to have to do the re-pour if it's not right. And then you're staying cool, calm, and collected. Never put pressure on them. Be helpful. It will come back and pay you dividends. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here. Check it out. You're going to see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's going to give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence. But it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.